This is one of 4 RMs that I'm getting in. And then I've got 3 more 125 RM 82s, 1982s, which I'm very excited about. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. You'll see I'm on the road again, and you know what that means. But I'm not on my own, I'm with my trusted mate Martin.
Morning everybody.
And we're going off to go and pick up the mother load.
Oh yes.
The honey pots, as it were, the yellow honey pots of bikes.
100%. Yeah, it's time, they're here.
We're on our way down to the docks. It's all paid for, care of Martin, who been so instrumental in making sure that I could get them, otherwise I would not have been able to do this. So Martin, how do our friends and viewers out there get in touch with you to help them get the bike of their dreams from the USA or from Europe or from anywhere? How does that work?
Well, Rob, I've actually just started my own website, which is www.widowmakertrader.co.uk. I've managed to build that with the help of some lads at technut.com. Fantastic product they've got, really easy to build a website using their technology. They're also really helpful as well with support tickets. They talk you through everything, and it is, yeah, without them I wouldn't have been able to build a website, to be perfectly honest. On there you'll see the bikes I've got for sale, and also I've got a contact form, whereas if you want, for example, an RM 500 1982, I'll go out there, I'll find you that bike, bring it over, sort all the paperwork out and get it here to the UK for you. You've got to make sure when you purchase the bike that you've got either the original title or at least a bill of sale that's been notarized. Without that, you can get the bike to the docks, but then you just won't get it over here. So that's the most important thing. If you can find a genuine bike with the original title, fantastic. If not, it's like a receipt. You've got to get a bill of sale from the owner, all his details on it, and then he's got to take it to a notary and get it stamped.
Is that something that you can do for us?
Yes.
You've certainly done it for me on several things.
Yeah, that's no problem at all. I mean, that's what I do basically, as you know. Try and find these bikes out there, get them collected, get all the paperwork sorted out, so you don't have to worry about that side of things. I know the contacts now, I know the people, so yeah, I take care of all that paperwork side. So if you don't do that right, you can end up with a bike sitting at the docks.
Okay.
So, guess what? I don't like to disturb the conversation. If you look through this fence near that forklift, I can see your yellow bike.
Really? Oh, there it is.
We are.
Yes. You know what I do with these bikes when I pick them up? I tap them and I pat them and I say, "It's okay, darling. Here." We're oh my God, there it is. There's the first one. Hello. This thing that struck me about a 125, you always think they're really going to be small, you know? Lots of work to do on you. The wheel bearings are okay, Martin. That's a good start.
Yeah, excellent. That's a bonus. In fact, on my website, I'm running a giveaway prize draw for a 1983 RM 500. So if you go onto the website, there's a banner on the home page and it will tell you to go into products, and when you go in products you can enter there, answer a simple question, £10 to enter the prize draw. I'll list all the names of the people who have bought tickets on the page, and yeah, trying to sell about 1,200 tickets, and when they've all gone, pull the winner out live, and yeah, somebody's going to win 1983 Suzuki RM 500 for 10 quid or however many tickets they buy. So get yourselves along to the website if you can, www.widowmakertrader.co.uk, and enter the prize draw. See what happens. Good luck. Exactly.
Right, let's get these out. One man junk.
Another man's treasure.
I mean, Martin, how difficult is it to find these spare parts for these bikes? I mean,
I think you've got them all, haven't you?
you don't like this modification.
No.
If you go scrambling, think about the positive of this. If you go scrambling and you happen to lose one of your forks, you've got a spare. Maybe this can go.
Or the exhaust, I mean, you could hollow it out and.
I mean, there's a lot of things. Yeah, you could pour your water down there and tip it like a gourd.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, it's got a little valve in there. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Always a pleasure, Rob. Nice to see you again.
Brilliant. And I'll show you when they're done.
Yeah, when they're done, get cracking on them videos so I can get watching. I love it.
Yeah. All right, buddy.
Thanks again, Rob.
Cheers, mate.
Nice to see you.
Thank you. Cheers.
Take
Bye.
care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.